Today, I am reviewing UPERFECT 4K Portable Monitor. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you've been searching for a portable monitor that combines top-tier display quality, professional-level color accuracy, and a design that's both stylish and travel-friendly, then the UPERFECT 14.5-inch 4K portable monitor deserves a serious look. Let's start with the display itself, which is the real star of the show. This monitor features a 14.5-inch 4K UHD panel with a resolution of 3840 by 2400 pixels. Unlike the common 16:9 ratio we see in most portable displays, this one uses a 16:10 aspect ratio. That little bit of extra vertical space makes a big difference, especially for professionals who work with documents, spreadsheets, or creative software. You're able to see more lines of text or more of your editing timeline without constantly scrolling. It's a small upgrade that feels surprisingly impactful in day-to-day use. Moving on to color performance, this monitor is nothing short of impressive. It covers 100% of the sRGB color gamut, supports 1.06 billion colors thanks to 8-bit plus FRC technology, and delivers smooth gradients with exceptional accuracy. Whether you're editing photos, grading videos, or simply streaming your favorite shows, the visuals look true to life and vibrant. Colors don't appear washed out, and subtle shades come through beautifully. If you're a content creator, this makes the UPERFECT 14.5-inch monitor a very appealing option. Now, let's talk about brightness and contrast. With 500 nits of peak brightness and a 2000:1 contrast ratio, this display really stands out. Many portable monitors struggle outdoors or in bright office environments, but this panel holds up well even with light shining directly on it. Combine that with the matte anti-glare finish, and you get a screen that's comfortable to use almost anywhere, whether you're in a coffee shop, on a plane, or working near a sunny window. The wide 178-degree viewing angles also mean your visuals stay consistent from different perspectives, which is particularly useful when sharing the screen with others. In terms of design, the UPERFECT monitor is sleek, thin, and surprisingly light. It measures just 0.2 inches thick at its slimmest point and weighs only about a pound without the cover, making it extremely portable. The build quality is also noteworthy. The monitor features a metal frame, which not only gives it a premium feel but also improves durability and heat dissipation compared to typical plastic models. To protect the display while traveling, it comes with a foldable smart cover that doubles as a stand, letting you set it up in landscape or portrait orientation with ease. Connectivity is another highlight here. The monitor includes dual USB-C ports and a Mini HDMI port, making it compatible with a wide range of devices. You can connect it to laptops, MacBooks, tablets, smartphones, gaming consoles like the PS5, Xbox or Nintendo Switch, and even cameras. Thanks to its plug-and-play functionality, you don't need to install any drivers. Just connect your device and you're ready to go. It also comes with built-in speakers, which are convenient for casual use, though I'd recommend headphones or external speakers if you want richer audio. From a performance standpoint, the monitor has a 3-millisecond response time and supports FreeSync technology, which is great for gamers who want smoother visuals with reduced screen tearing. While it's not marketed as a high refresh rate gaming display, it's capped at 60 Hz. It does deliver crisp, immersive visuals that make both casual and competitive gaming enjoyable on the go. Another small but useful detail is its eye care technology. With flicker-free performance and reduced blue light emissions, the monitor is designed for extended use without causing as much eye strain. If you often work long hours or binge-watch content, you'll definitely appreciate this feature. To wrap things up, the UPERFECT 14.5-inch 4K portable monitor checks almost every box you could ask for in a premium portable display. It offers outstanding picture quality, superior color accuracy, excellent brightness, and a sleek, ultra-portable design. It's versatile enough for business professionals, creative workers, gamers, and everyday users who just want more screen real estate while traveling or working remotely. Yes, it sits at a higher price point than some budget portable monitors, but considering the 4K resolution, professional-grade color, and high brightness, the value is very strong. If you want a compact, reliable, and visually stunning secondary screen, the UPERFECT 14.5-inch 4K monitor is an investment well worth making.